What's up, everybody? Welcome to MexBOX. Today I'm going to show you how I made $65 worth of Bitcoin through scalping. Okay, if you see, my bot already placed about 14,084 um, dollars worth of XBT USD contracts. It's a long. So we are waiting for it to fill at 7527. That's approximately 0.1% profit. If you checked my balance earlier, 0.3205, which is now 0.3227. Okay. Now I'm gonna wait for some time, and my bot placed an order again at 7528. It's a long order. So now we're gonna wait for it to go ahead and fill the position. By the way, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. You can see it got filled 2,916 contracts, bought at 7,528, and now we're gonna wait for the bot to place the close order at 0.1% profit. So the thing is, the important thing of scalping is the entries. You do not want it to long at the top, right? So when there is an impulse of going up, my bot is going to analyze it and place an order. So let's see, we have a target at 7,536 and it got filled. Now I'm going to check my balance 0.3250. We started at 0.3205. Now my bot placed an order again. That's around 7,516. So if this is an edited video. It took a few hours to go ahead and run this scalping session. You can follow the time at the right top corner of the BitMEX screen. Now you can see it placed an order at 2,932. Now our target is at 7,524. Let's see how much time it's going to take. It took approximately about a few minutes. Uh, Now our balance is 0.3256. So the most important thing about scalping is entry points, as I always say, and protection against the volatility. And now the bot placed an order of 2,942 contracts at 7528. It actually placed about 5 orders instead of one. It basically calculates the best entry point and a few about 4 extra orders for safety. If it does a volatile move, it's going to do some dollar cost averaging and try to close the order in profit. And it also places default stop at 1%. All the settings can be configurable. We can actually change whatever we want. It's basically going down. Our entry is 7,528. And now the price is 7,516. So basically it has a protective ladder order at 7,516. Let's see if it gets filled. Yes, it is. Now we have 5,842 contracts. Our target is 7,530. It actually took a lot of time. BTC stuck right there at that point, and moving between 7,510 to 7,520. Now bot placed finds an impulse of going up, placed an order again, 7,508. And now we are waiting for the order to get filled. Yes, it filled it. Now contracts are 8,702, and the bot is going to cancel the target and place an order. Here it is. Now our target is 7,525. It's going down again. But we placed a protective stop order at 1% by default. BTC moves always does a volatile move, like 10-20% once in a while. So in order to protect us against it, we always wanted to place the stop. No stop is no trade. If we are doing trading without a stop, it's a gambling. It's not a trading. At least you should have a stop in your mind. But you know about BitMEX Wix. We got an order at 7,494. It got filled 11,521. Now our target is 7,520. I ran this bot at the sleeping time. If you look at the timer at the right top corner of the screen, it's 5 a.m. I was actually sleeping when I'm recording this. I'm doing my voiceover now by editing all that lag. In general, I use my bot with my presence. I do not actually leave the bot running like that, but I did somehow. So our balance is 0.3260. Wondering why it got increased? It is because of the limit order rebates. You get paid when you place limit order gets filled. So BTC is moving some crazy, making some crazy moves here to the downwards. Looks like one more order is gonna get filled with this downwards momentum. Here we go. We got 17,629 with entry point of 7492, and the target is gonna take some time to place the target. Here we go. Target is now 7,500. Easy. Just a reminder, if you did not click the like and subscribe, please do it now. And you can also join my Discord. The link is in the description of this video. Here we go, it's going up. That's it, guys. 0.3291. We made $65. That's it. So the thing is, we started at 0.3205 and now closed at 0.3291. We made $65 profit. So this all automatic. I did not touch anything. I did not place any orders, anything like that. That's it, guys. See you soon in one more video. Thank you. Bye bye.